I am so excited because AboveTEK, they were super nice and they sent me over a cool little desk for my laptop. This is game changing. This is an adjustable laptop desk. It's portable, it's sturdy, it's multi-purpose. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check this out. But I'm gonna unbox this and I'm gonna set it up and I'm going to use it, and my life is about to change because I'm about to be working from bed, and that's like the ultimate lazy life, but we're being productive at the same time. Oh my gosh, I'm so comfy. This is so great. I'm trying to be like lazy but not too lazy, hence why I'm on the couch instead of the bed. I edit like 5 videos a week, even though I don't post all of them like throughout the week. I like to stockpile just so I have stuff to be ready to be uploaded, because lately I've been having so many auditions during the week and I just haven't had time to film. So when I do have time to film, I try to film a bunch of them and then I'll edit like 2 at a time. So I'm basically sitting here all day either answering emails or submitting to castings or like doing headshot stuff, editing my headshots, and basically I spend a lot of time on this computer. I will put the link down below to this little portable desk if you guys want to check it out. I will also put a promo code for 15% off as well. And once again, special thanks to AboveTEK for sending this over for me.